Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video where I unbox this mini teleprompter I bought from Popo Cameras. It is very cheap for 650 Ghana cedis, a little about 110 naira and almost 24k naira. Now as you can see, I'm opening the box, and the box, as you can see, also contains two other boxes. So box in a box, a smaller box, and then we also have a bigger box in the box, and that is all what is in the box. So we will open the boxes to see what is in there. Let's start with a smaller box. Let's open the smaller box and see what is also in the smaller box. So as you can see, there are some things in the smaller box, which first is the remote control, which you'd be able to use to control the teleprompter. It operates on a battery, so you can use a battery. Also, we have the phone holder that you can use to mount your phone on it, and then there's camera mounts that you can use to mount your camera on the teleprompter. We also have this shade cloth for you to be able to cover your lens when shooting with your camera, and that is all for the smaller box. Now let's look at the bigger box and see what is in it. So as you can see, we're opening the bigger box, and this is where the actual teleprompter is. I didn't get a view for you to see this one, but you see it in this video at the end. This is the actual teleprompter. It's a little bit quite heavy. It doesn't feel inferior. The size is of a reasonable size. As you can see, we have this cards in it that you can use to cover your smartphone whenever you want to use this teleprompter. So there are two of them, this one and then that one, and that is the teleprompter as you're seeing on your screen. So basically that is it. This is the teleprompter. The main reason for getting a teleprompter is to help you read your script to help you read your script without actually looking outside. So this is how the teleprompter looks like. It's very simple, lightweight, and very affordable. I'll leave a link to get this in the description. Thank you.